I left it all behind to be a new breed. Singer, songwriter, producer, content creator. I can do it all from start to finish. They call me a 100%er, which also means I use my gift to follow my passions 100%. Help the needy, feed the poor, protect the innocent, service the world. It's no secret. To the music industry, I'm public enemy number one. I had to escape. The bike was calling me, the road was calling me, the songs were calling me, the calling was calling me. I got a bike. I switched gears. I shifted my focus. I swerved on my fears, swerved on the naysayers, swerved on the lost time. I became something. My name, you ask? Swerve.